this lighting in this room is too dark for me to film, but we shall see. Pretty much, I just finished editing the vlog, and I'm going to try to upload it, but I can't make any promises. It's been a rough night. I'm progressively getting sicker, which kind of makes me angry. But you already know that if you watched the video that I will be uploading today. But can you already hear it in my voice? Y'all are in for a treat seeing me sick, because I'm still gonna vlog even though I'm sick. It's a good thing that germs can't be transmitted via YouTube, right? But I'm quite the holy terror when I'm sick. I don't stay in a good mood at all when I'm sick. But I'll try, but I can't make any promises.
Hi! I am off of work. And it's still daylight. I'm on my way home. I got off about an hour early, which is good and it's bad. It's bad because I don't get that money, but it's good because I was ready to go home. And we were slow all day. But it was a pretty good day at work. Pretty good. It's just hot and my mustache is sweating. Mustache sweat. Anyways, so I'm on the way home. Gonna chill for the rest of the night. I'm in a good mood. Obviously. So today, you can probably tell, but I put makeup on, at least on my eyes, because, I mean, I don't know. I bought some eyeliner a few weeks ago and haven't opened it, and my excuse for not wearing makeup for the past little bit was because I didn't have any eyeliner. So now I have eyeliner, and I saw it this morning. I thought, hey, I'll put it on. So I get to work, and everybody's like, why do you have on makeup? Are you wearing makeup? Why are you wearing makeup? Well, excuse me for wearing makeup, and excuse me again for not consulting you. Hey, look, it's the little pink car. I see her she's wearing a pink hat too. I see her every morning. But anyway, so I don't need anybody's permission to wear makeup, and I'm not trying to impress any of y'all. Don't worry. So anyway, but every single person asked me today, why are you wearing makeup? Not, oh, your makeup looks good. Why? Why are you wearing it? Why are you wearing it? Why are you wearing it? Be nosy. Stop being so freaking nosy. Why do you wear your hair like that? Why do you look like that? Why does your nose look funny? Why do you wear your fingernails like that? Why don't you wash your hair? Why do you have a nose ring? Why do you wear socks? Why do you wear 2 shirts? Why do you wear your hair up? Why do you wear that hat? Really? See? Okay, see how annoying it is? See? So, anyway, I wore it, and I'm going to wear it again.
Okay, so I don't know how much of this you can see, but this is my baby today, and he wants to be cuddled on. Look how big he is. He looks like a big baby, doesn't he? It's so pathetic. Touch. Okay, so apparently, I had the camera out and was filming Chachi. I was laying back on the couch, and he was like all laid across my chest, and I was holding him like a baby and loving on him. And I got the camera out, and it really pissed him off because he hates the camera. Like, even before we started using a video camera, he would hate just a regular camera, somebody trying to take his picture. So, he kind of set up, and he growled at me a little bit, then jumped down and stalked off to go eat. So, I made him mad by putting him in the vlog. I'm sorry. Well, as you can see, I am feeling a little bit better than I did before I went to sleep. But I still am getting sick. I feel it in my throat, and I've been coughing junk up out of my lungs all day. Well, not all day, since I woke up, that is. So, I took some Mucinex, so hopefully that'll start helping me. And the kind of Mucinex I have, I can only take it every 12 hours. So hopefully this one I took will last me for 12 hours. But yeah, it's definitely no fun because I can kind of feel the sicky tightness in my chest. It's just ugh. 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 I hate being sick.
What you looking, Stank? Is Kesha outside?
I guess. I haven't seen her at all today. She came in. When you let her in, she came over here. I petted her a little bit. She went over and ate. And she wanted to go right back outside.
So, tell us about her jacket, shirt thing. Yeah. Her straight jacket?
Well, it's for her to stop scratching. She has like 4 spots on her back that she's been scratching a lot. So it's to keep her from scratching them so they'll start healing.
Well, she looks cute in it.
I know, don't she? And her burnt orange.
And her daddy wearing orange too.
What's wrong with her?
You didn't get any of that.
Yeah, I got every bit of it. You better believe it. We doing Stank. Little Stank. What you doing? You trying to get comfortable with Stank. Sasha. It fits her good. From right here, it looks like a cape. Let me alone. Let me alone. Let me alone. My name's Sasha. I'm 1 month old and I love long walks on the beach. And my dad will kick your ass if you fuck with me, bitches!
Where's Joystick? Go. Go.
is day 45, y'all.
Tomorrow is day 45. What is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is day 45 of the vlog, so we're almost to 50.
Go us. Go frickin' us.
Oh,
Right?
OMG.
Go frickin' us.
Yeah.
That was funny. That movie that we were watching
Uh-huh.
last night. Before I finished, I just kept on watching what we'd already seen. And when the kid, they were at the zoo looking at the fish, and he told him that he's had his bouts of hypochondria, and that little boy goes, "Oh my God, I have that."
Get it, Sting.
Hey, Sarge. You just waking up, Mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. This way. Hey.
Okay, anyway. Okay, so what I was thinking is, you know that I read that thing to you the other day about that project. It's the start of that project I've been working on.
Start of what project?
I read you that stuff I'd written.
Okay, yeah.
You know, I read you that whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think? I'm thinking that since I really have the whole thing in my head, and I want to like get it down and out of my head, like if I start like putting myself to like I don't know, not like a deadline maybe, but have like a goal to write a certain number of words per week and like vlog about it and stuff, and so that way, you know, I can make a talk each day about if I wrote or not, and then at the end of the week, if I haven't met the words that I was supposed to have written, then people can beat me up and stuff and kill me.
Oh, look, the carnival. I mean, if that works for you, for me, it just don't beat yourself up if you end up not reaching your goal every week, you know.
Well, no, I'm gonna try to make it to where I'm setting aside time each day to do just that. Like, I'm gonna really put myself on a schedule, but I don't know. I just thought it might be something fun to share on the vlog.
Yeah.
And like, you know, maybe when it's done, people will read it if I tell them a little bit about it. Good idea?
Yeah, because it's really interesting.